Honda Sensing 360 expanded the sensing range of the original system in all directions to realize 360-degree sensing. This omnidirectional sensing covers blind spots around the vehicle and enables the system to assist the driver in avoiding collisions with other vehicles and pedestrians, and contributes to the reduction of driver burden conditions. Front cross traffic warning. Before entering an intersection with poor visibility, when the vehicle is stopped to check if the lane is clear, the system detects and notifies the driver of vehicles approaching from the left and right, with visual notifications. If the vehicle starts moving forward despite the visual notifications, the system provides an audible warning and a visual warning on the meter to alert and prompt the driver to take collision avoidance actions. Lane change collision mitigation. When making a lane change, if the system recognizes the risk of a collision with a vehicle approaching from the blind spot behind the vehicle, the system provides an audible warning and a visual warning on the meter to alert the driver and assists steering for collision avoidance. Active Lane Change Assist. While driving on expressways with the Lane Keeping Assist system and Adaptive Cruise Control with Low Speed Follow activated, when the driver puts on the turn signal and certain conditions are satisfied, the system assists with steering for the lane change. Collision Mitigation Braking System. When making a right or left turn at an intersection, if the system detects other vehicles or pedestrians and recognizes the risk of collision, the collision mitigation braking system will be activated. With omnidirectional sensing, the system assists the driver with the avoidance and mitigation of a collision with another vehicle or a pedestrian that enters an intersection at the same time from different directions. Cornering Speed Assist. While cornering on an expressway, with the ACC turned on, before reaching the curve, the system uses a front sensor camera to detect the curvature of the lane and properly adjusts the vehicle speed accordingly. Striving to realize a collision-free mobility society. Honda Sensing 360.